Today, we are going to learn whether or not the product remains the same when the order of factors are switched in a multiplication equation. So, is 2 times 4 equal to 4 times 2? Remember, we can represent multiplication using an array, equal groups, a number line, and repeated addition. Let's start with modeling this equation with an array. 2 times 4 is the same as 2 rows of 4. So I will draw 2 rows of 4. I can see that 2 rows of 4 equals 8. Now let's model the equation using equal groups. 2 times 4 is the same as 2 groups of 4. I'll draw 2 groups of 4, which is also 8. Let's draw a number line to show this equation. I'll draw my number line and include numbers starting from 0 and ending at 8. I'll start counting and making a point at every fourth number. Next, I'll make my jumps of 4, and I can see that 2 jumps of 4 is 8. My last model will be repeated addition. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So I've proven that 2 times 4 equals 8. 4 times 2 is also 8. First, let's model this equation with an array. 4 times 2 is the same as 4 rows of 2. So I'll draw 4 rows of 2. We can count 2, 4, 6, 8. So 4 rows of 2 equals 8. We can also make 4 groups of 2. I'll draw 4 groups of 2, which is also 8. Let's draw a number line to show this equation. I'll draw my number line like the one I drew before. Again, I'll start counting and making a point at every second number. Next, I'll make my jumps of 2, and I can see that 4 jumps of 2 is 8. Finally, let's model with repeated addition. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. The name of the property that tells us that the order of factors does not change the product of an equation is called the commutative property of multiplication. Therefore, 2 times 4 equals 4 times 2, which equals 8. Try another equation to prove that the commutative property always works.